We're in Dayton, Ohio at Caroline Historical Park for the Antique Fire Apparatus Show.
Oh, Jared, we was there a couple weeks ago for the car show.
Oh, yeah. That was
This is beautiful, my gosh. 1950 GMC Young Mini Pumper. Got a fire extinguisher. There's a little look inside. Nice truck. Yeah, they're cool. This is a 1922 Model T that was used in farmland, Indiana. Man, this is awesome. You know that?
No, this is something. See the pedals? We got 3 pedals down there.
Gosh, look at the brass on this.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Gosh, that is nice. I like the wheels. Look at the wheels.
Yeah, tires and wheels look great.
This is a 1954 Farmall SA fire tractor. It was used in General Motors Inland Plant in Dayton, Ohio.
2024 Spencer, Iowa. Oh, are you from around here? Oh, are you? Okay.
Yeah, this is cool. I've never seen one.
Well, I don't think
These film things.
Here we have a 1917 Ford Model T that was found in a barn in 1964 and then restored.
Let's go around the front because that's where the signs are. Signs are on the fronts of them.
We got license plate. 1917 license plate.
There you go.
That's what I've been looking for one.
I really need the exercise.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah.
there's no strap. And it's, you know, it's
The 1922 Model T.
Yeah. What it says. Look at the wooden spokes.
Oh wow. It is neat.
Yeah.
Neat design. How basic that is.
Yeah.
Different nozzles on here.
Look at all these nozzles.
Yeah, that's cool.
Ends. See them all?
Yeah.
Man, they're beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah. Really nice.
Big axe. Here's a big axe. Lanterns. Got red lanterns.
$19.29 Seagrave. That's neat.
Look, it's right-hand drive.
You're right. Really cool. It's a neat truck, isn't it? It says 1966 Ford 600 Howell Pumper. College Corner, Ohio. Right on the border of Indiana.
I finally got it running the other day.
This is pretty cool, isn't it?
Real neat.
Yeah. It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, real nice. Real pretty truck.
Look at this. Washington Township.
That's one of ours, huh?
Yeah, that's pretty neat.
Yeah. That'll be done. That's old. That's a neat one. Look at those wheels, chrome wheels. Wow.
That's cool.
Go in. So,
Have you ever driven it?
no.
No. Does your dad drive it?
Yes.
That's pretty neat.
That's real cool. Yeah.
Basically, a couple years ago, this thing was
What year is it?
1965.
65.
Basically,
Okay.
a couple years ago, this thing was held up by wishful thinking, sawdust, and a little dash of luck and pixie dust.
It's your grandfather is it on this. That's neat.
And
Pickle, huh?
this is, we also have a Seagrave from the 1940s.
Uh-huh.
One of, I believe, one of Pickle's first ever radio trucks, trucks with a radio. The original radio in this truck still works, although we do not get any signal.
Uh-huh.
That's neat.
This is the wall of thingamajigs and doodads.
That's the only one that's this one.
This is the back, where you can have some photos. And up here is original wood from 1965.
What's in there?
This is original wood from 1965.
Kidding.
Really? Pretty neat.
Yeah, it's a nice truck.
Real neat. Do you ride in it much, or?
I do.
Yeah.
But I fear the belt sander. It has a tendency to break.
Oh, yeah?
Well.
This is the water valve.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
And right here is the engine or the doghouse.
The doghouse.
How big an engine is it? Is it V8 or is it 12 cylinder?
707. 707 cubic inch Mack engine.
Wow, that's big.
Yeah.
That is huge.
And she purrs like a kitten.
Is it diesel?
It is gas pump.
Gas. Okay.
Okay. That's neat.
Yeah, it's neat.
And
It's neat, their family history.
Yeah.
That's what I like about
and
it.
here is the side door. So you
Okay.
get a better view.
All right, let's
Yeah.
see inside there.
Pretty cool.
That is awesome.
And right there's the federal siren and thing. I don't know why I thought that was the radio.
That's all right. I thought it was a radio too. You know?
But yeah, the siren, the turn signal, everything, all the lights still work. Sitting in a seat.
Let's see. That's pretty neat. Get up in here?
Yes, you can get up in there.
Okay.
And you can.
I'm gonna sit in the seat. Hope I don't get stuck. Man, these are narrow. Wow. It's pretty cool, isn't it? You know, that'd probably get hot next to that.
Oh, that's why I try to keep my arm around it. I feel it a couple times.
Do you
but,
sit up here?
I just did today. It was. You get to really hear her purr. It was awesome.
Yeah. Yeah, this is cool.
Yeah, the Seagrave is also amazing.
Awesome.
And just a secret, just between me and you, I'm not allowed to open this one.
You're not allowed to open this? Okay. Wow. That's wild. He let me get in that seat up there. You gotta climb up there, get in that seat right there, right here.
seat?
No, right here.
This seat.
Yeah.
Where's the seat at?
Get up there.
I didn't even know if I could get up there.
You can get up there. Take your time.
Oh man, my leg hurts. Oh, I see it now.
If you'd like a tour,
This is like riding in a tank.
Yeah, it is. Keep in mind the engine's right here. Next to
I
it.
know.
Okay.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's a neat fire truck.
it is a neat fire truck. Yep,
Nice.
pretty cool. Yep.
Thanks for the tour, man.
You're very welcome.
Neat.
That's a Mack, Spring Valley Township. It's a pretty nice one, isn't it?
I like the grill.
Let's see.
I like the grill. I like the windshield comes out.
Yeah, the windshield's
It's
pretty
got a real
cool.
pretty grill.
Oh yeah, that is nice.
Nice grill, yeah. This is pretty old. Just got a crank thing on it too. Right?
Yeah. Wonder what year it is.
I'd say it's late 30s, early 40s.
I'll look inside there. GMC Kettering Fire Department, Kettering, Ohio. This is a really cool one. Yeah, this is Norwood, Ohio. How old do you think this thing is?
Probably early 40s, maybe.
It's pretty cool.
I'm just going by the divided windshield and stuff like that.
This one's pretty cool, I think.
Uh-huh.
I like this. Inside there.
Yeah, they had
But look, there's nozzles back in the wood.
Really?
Looks like it. Looks like the wood.
Yeah, it gets carried better on. Yeah. That's where they put hoses in there.
Oh, this one's really cool.
Yeah.
Ahrens-Fox, Cincinnati, Ohio.
Looks nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's beautiful. It says it's a 1950 Persh. This is pretty neat, this one.
This is pretty.
Gosh, yeah, Beloy. Oh, Beloy, is that, I don't know where that's at.
It's in Paris. That's where you get your next.
Gosh, look at the front of this.